You know, man's got to have his space organized. I think it has a lot to do with motivation too. Take a look what I'm dealing with here. This is out of control, and I got to do something about this, man. This. Look at this. Here, let's get a better view from over the door. Look at this, man. This is what I'm dealing with here, man. I got over here is my computer and where I do my computer work. Got a couple computers, little desk that I made, little work desk right there. And then we've got just everything ends up. That's all the Pesach stores, holidays and things like that. This, who knows what. Who knows what this is? Oh, man. I'm telling you, this is a bomb shelter is actually what it is. And this is, looks like the bomb hit it, man. So let's get it straightened out. There's the before. Let's see what it looks like after. Okay, so I went to ChatGPT and see if he can help me organize this mess, man. So it told me, it says right here, step 1, day 1. It says, start by organizing everything. Oh, wait, well, let me rewind that. We do not, right, start by organizing everything. He says, step 1, day 1, claim the man cave, because this is my goal. I want to turn this into my man cave, workplace, and home storage, So let's do that. So it says, before anything, pick a corner that feels the least chaotic. Well, this that was a good one. And then it said, put the chair there, about clear a 1.5 1 to 1.5 meter radius, add light. This becomes, the first video. Why? Because you need a place to sit and think without pressure while doing the rest. So let me show you what I did. A chair over there. And I got a light right there. I just got this little light down there. Yeah. I just put it there. That's my emergency light. This is my bomb shelter. So we got a light when the power goes out. We still have a light down here. So, this is the bomb shelter that's been bombed from the inside. All right, so we got the chair. Let's see what's next. All right, so I got ChatGPT helping me with this, man. I like it. So let's have a look now. I get the stuff off the floor for the most part. I just got a bunch of pillows for the dog. See, now I got a clean workspace. I get my workspace cleared up. That's for my voiceover and stuff. I got my contraption here for my... That's to get that thing to stay there. I got to get a better setup than that. But hey, Mickey Mouse works too. So anyway, still got a mess over here, but we'll get there. He says, don't worry about all the stuff. Just put it, don't worry about where it goes yet. Just get it up off the floor. So I did that. And so at least, I got some space now in case we get an alert and we have a siren. We have to run down here for safety. At least we got space, man. So, all right, man. Let's see what the next thing is.